Based on your location, based on your nationality, there could be some additional steps, or so something could differ. All right. So for example, if you are in India, I have opened this embassy of Finland. So when it comes to study, it's a long-term visa, like more than 90 days. So you don't go to Schengen visit C visa. Instead, you go for residence. So that's what I click. Okay. See, they have given a link, guide for students. So when you apply your first for studies, they have given you this guide, which you can follow step by step, and it's going to guide us for everything. So let's click on it. So first is check if you need a residence permit. Okay. And it will navigate you between the steps. Let's say you are an Indian citizen. Are you citizen of an EU country or Iceland? I select no. So what it says, apply for residence permit if you study in Finland for longer than 90 days. This is what I was telling you. Okay. Check that the residence is the right residence permit. Have you been admitted to a study program in Finland that leads to a degree or a vocational qualification, or are you coming to for a student exchange? So I select yes. Let's say you're going to do your masters in Finland. Okay, just example. You know to answer these questions based on you, and then it will guide you towards the correct pathway as per your situation. So it is giving you like a situation. Okay. Now get ready for applying for the permit. Now it is asking to check the record. You have a valid passport. Okay. You have not been imposed an entry ban. There's no public security risk, no public health risk. You have been admitted to a program. Okay. You have enough funds to cover your tuition. You have enough money to support yourself on your cost. So they have given like at least euro 560 per month. Okay. You have insurance. Okay. All right. Now check which attachments are needed for your application. Answer the following question. Okay. Checklist. Now it will create a checklist. Are you residing in the current country of residence with either visa or residence permit? So let's say you are in India as an Indian, so you are citizen. So you're not in India with a visa or residence permit. So I select no. But let's say you are a different of a third country living in India on a visa or something else. So that they will select yes. Are you applying for residence to complete further training to improve your vocational skills, or to complete a special training offered in? I've said no. Okay. Have you already paid a tuition fee for the entire year? I select yes. Have you been granted scholarship? I select no. Is the duration of study 1 year or longer? I select yes. Will your education provide you with free accommodation or free meals, or have you been awarded a grant towards your living cost? I select no. So then you must have this much when you submit your application. Okay, bank statement. Past 3 months they have asked. These were details, and if you are under age of 18, additional details they have asked. Do you have a European insurance card, UK Global Health Insurance card? I select no. Then you must have private insurance. Is the duration of study less than 1 year? I select no. Duration of study less than 2 years? I select 2. Okay, whatever is applicable in your case, I just do like this. Are you an applicant under 18 years of age? I select no. That means you are not a minor. Will a family member you move to Finland with you? I select no. But if you have, select yes, and it will show you appropriate options. Now it's going to show you, open a list of attachment. Color copy of passport page containing personal data, and passport page containing markings, certificate of acceptance, copy of your insurance, certificate from educational institution, bank statement. Okay, you can save. Okay, downloaded already. Let me see if I can open it for you. Okay, I'll open it at a later stage. Get a photograph of you. Have you documents translated if required. Apply for permit online. Okay. So how you apply online is that you need to create a user account here. Okay. And you can also submit paper application, but submitting paper processing is longer. So I would suggest go for online process. Applying. Okay. Then you pay and submit. Okay. And then you need to prove your identity. Okay. All right, we have gone through this. We will just go open the link so that we can come back here. All right. We'll go through the link, but let's first go through the process that after submit, what happens. So you will book an appointment with VFS to complete your biometric and application submission. Okay. And then if it is granted, it's granted. So let's go through VFS first, and then we'll go through the online application form. Okay. Oh, we need to select. Here. Okay. Okay, it takes us to the same page, and then you need to book an appointment, uh, attend, track, and premium. Okay, fine. So the same link is here. Enter Finland, study, get ready. You can create a user account, or you can, okay, wait, it's for study permit. So we'll follow this link, not from the VFS. So this we directly got it from there. So both could be same, but let's go through it. You can create your using your email account. Okay. So if you click here, you have all the information, first name, last name, registration, and create user account. Okay, so I'll create the user account and then we'll come back. Here you have the option first residence permit. Okay, so now you have to select your situation. If you're going for study, go for studies. It has a, again all the document checklist that you need, and login. I have already created, so oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I entered wrong link. I'm gonna log in and I'm gonna show you there. After all verification, you come here, and from here you can see my application, additional, new application. So you are going for new application, so of course you'll click for new application. So I'll click on first residence permit, and then it will ask studies, like if you purpose study. Now it gives you all the information, including a kind of checklist again. Fill in the application. Now here, total 6 steps. Okay. Number four is document upload. 5 is choose and service point and pay. 6 is to submit application. Would you like to apply for D visa, travel immediately after DOI issued residence permit? And okay, yeah, definitely. So I select yes. Okay. Information of the applicant. And I'm putting sample, guys. This is not real value. Okay. This is totally sample. And anyway, this application will not be submitted. And you need to answer as per your situation, not what you see here. And you need to fill as per your case. I'm just putting sample value. Street address. contact details in Finland, passport, earlier residence. So once you are through this, next is study, third is income and insurance. For whatever you have mentioned here, you need to add the documents. Fifth, choose service point and pay. Okay, but we'll see if I can walk you through all of that. I'll put some sample. Information on. Hey, can I click on next page? Yeah, why not? Perfect. So I don't have to enter everything. Studies. The level study will be the level study that you're applying at a residence permit. Educational institution. Wow, it's pre-populated. Wow, that's good. Type of studies, pre-populated. Study language. Wow. Study begin in residence permit different from one. Wow. Why did you decide to study at a Finland education institution? So Finland is joint degree program. Wow. Next. So you can fill up later as well. So that's why I have the flexibility. I am able to send additional document, income and insurance. How much tuition fee? How will you secure your income? Personal funds, scholarship, other income. Wow, whichever is applicable to you. Select all. Wow, scholarship awarded. What type of health insurance you will have? Private details, additional information, possible criminal offense and entry ban. So I'm just putting no, it's very simple. You need to enter as per your case. Do you consent to Finland to open a criminal record? Yeah, fine. Have you been prohibited from Finland or Schengen territory? I select no. And answer very carefully. Add documents. You can add your documents. You see everywhere you have attachment, and this checklist. Clarification on tuition, clarification on origin of funds. And they have even described what you need. Next is gonna be choose service point and pay. But for that, like we need to finish all right. Let me see if I can go to the next area. Okay, you need to do all and then go to the next step. Oh, it's not going to step 5 because you know why? Because I have not filled up all the important bits. But anyway, you got the idea. And once you are done through this, once you submit, you can book an appointment to prove you at VFS Application Center. Okay, and there you can go and provide your biometric, original copy of documents that you have added. Okay. Okay, they have given all the information. So let's just see this link. Maybe it's some additional. So if you select India here, so we have already gone through this. We have gone through. Okay, here they have said that you need to apply at, I mean, in that case, you need to authenticate yourself here at Finnish Embassy. Okay. New Delhi. Okay, it points you to here. All right. So if you have to do it through VFS. Okay, so you VFS, you can do it. Perfect. All right. So guys, I hope this was clear to you. And again, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.